Raise your hand if this sounds familiar. You sit down to work, you're finally going to be productive, and then, oh, a notification. Oh, just one quick scroll. Oh, maybe I should check my email. Oh, is that a cat video? And suddenly, 3 hours are gone, and you're drowning in guilt. Sound about right? Well, what if I told you beating distractions isn't about willpower, shame, or locking your phone in a vault? It's actually stupidly easy once you know the real problem. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to ditch the guilt and take back your focus for good. Here's the game plan. First, we're going to debunk the biggest myth about distractions. Hint, it's not your fault. Then I'll share 3 ridiculously simple tweaks that'll make focus feel automatic. And finally, we'll talk about how to stop guilt-tripping yourself when you do get distracted. Because, let's be real, you're human. 1. Distractions aren't your fault. The myth of willpower. Okay, let's get one thing straight. Distractions aren't happening because you're lazy or undisciplined. They're happening because your brain is wired to seek quick rewards. Thanks, evolution. Every ping, like, or new tab gives your brain a little dopamine hit, and of course it wants more. But here's the secret. Instead of fighting your brain, work with it. You don't need more willpower, you just need a better system. 2. The 3 stupidly easy fixes. 1. The 10-second rule. If checking your phone is faster than resisting it, you'll always lose. So add friction. Move your phone to another room, use website blockers, or keep your tabs closed. Make distractions just annoying enough that your brain says, not worth it. 2. The one thing promise. Ever sit down to work and immediately feel overwhelmed? Yeah, that's your brain looking for an escape. Instead of, I need to work for 4 hours, try, I'll just do one task for 10 minutes. Once you start, momentum kicks in, and suddenly you're in flow. 3. Scheduled distraction time. Yes, really. Wait, you're telling me to plan distractions? Yep. Give yourself permission to scroll, check emails, or wander mentally, but only at set times. Knowing you'll get to it later makes it way easier to focus now. Here's the truth. You will get distracted sometimes, and that's okay. Guilt just keeps you stuck in the cycle. Instead of, ugh, I failed, try, that distracted me. Let me adjust. No drama, just progress. Think of it like learning an instrument. If you mess up a note, you don't quit, you just play it again. Focus is the same way. So, to recap, distractions aren't about willpower, small tweaks beat brute force, and guilt is pointless. Now your turn. Pick one of these tips and try it today. Maybe it's the 10-second rule, or maybe it's giving yourself scheduled scroll time. Just take that first step. And hey, if this helped you, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest distraction? Phone? Netflix? Overthinking? Let's troubleshoot together. Oh, and subscribe if you want more no guilt, no BS strategies to take back your time. Now go out there and make focus feel stupidly easy. You've got this.